What's going on, YouTube? We back again. Another video, man. A really good video today, man. I'm excited. I was going back and forth on the wheels. What wheels should I choose on this car? What direction should I go? Should I go 24? Should I go 26s?
32.
And I was like, 32, girl, you better find a hobby. And I was like, in my mind, I was like, man, I don't like over the top. I never have, and I never will. I don't like that stuff. Never stands the test of time to me. So I was like, man, let's put 26-inch 4G autos on here, or let's put the 4G autos. I was like, well, let's put, some Ruchis or something like that. I was like, but they just don't stand the test of time. So the crazy part about it was I really pondered about it, thought about it, went over it over and over and over again. And I was like, man, let's just keep it OG, but with a small twist to it, just a tiny, tiny twist. I was like, man, I'm gonna just go with what I know, what I grew up on, and what made me just think the Brougham was one of the coolest Cadillacs ever, but with a little bit of a modern twist. And I was like, these rims that I picked out, I'm about to show y'all, they fit this car to a T, and I didn't blow the bank on them either. So like I said, this is a budget build where I want to keep it where it's priced right, everything is in it, and it'll be feasible for me to keep it. So definitely, I think I knocked this one out the park. Y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna show y'all these wheels. We're gonna cut these open and show y'all what I did. I know y'all probably have some kind of clue as to what they are, but like I said, classic, but with a small twist, man. And I think I did fantastic with choosing these. Wow. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. 24-inch, all chrome. I'm not gonna say Dayton's because they're not Dayton's. Wire wheels with the white walls. I didn't go Vogue tires because Vogue tires are absolute trash. Get in the comments if y'all like Vogue tires. I'm telling y'all, as a person that works in the automotive industry, Vogue tires are terrible. Which these are Lexani. Lexani tires ain't very much better, but I'll take these over a set of Vogue tires. And they charge way too much money for Vogue tires to be as bad as they are. So the reason I chose these is they were priced well, and they came mounted and balanced already. And they came from Wheel Specialist, if anybody want to check them out, man. Actually a good little local company out of, not local, but out of Nebraska. And they did a good job, man. They were super responsive with everything, all my requests. They just kept me updated and in the loop on everything that was going on with these during the whole process. Even told me that, shipping had got delayed a little bit, but it wasn't a big deal. But then, yeah, needless to say, y'all will see probably the thumbnail. The shipper, the reason I hadn't opened them yet is I was trying to check them out. But during shipping, the lady showed up to deliver them, and they were on a pallet. And the guy sent me the picture, when they were getting ready to be shipped out, how they were stacked, tied to the pallet, all that other good stuff. Well, the lady showed up, and the pallet was completely flipped over in the back of the truck. And the pallet collapsed. The wheels were just all over the place. I'll link that in the video, man, show y'all a little picture or something. But yeah, needless to say, the wheels aren't damaged. I checked them and they still all have the weights on them. The weights didn't fall off when they balanced them, so that's a plus. Only thing I'm seeing that I don't like so far is they could have went with like a 275 tire instead of a 255, where we don't have this little overhang right here. So I'm not gonna worry too much about it right now because it's not that big of a deal, but I kind of like my tire to be flush with the rim, so we'll get that taken care of eventually, not now. I mean, they're brand new, they're mounted, balanced. What do y'all think, man? I like them. And I think I made the right choice. It's my car, so of course it'll be the right choice. Whatever choice I make will be right. But I went, like I said, with a little bit of different approach to it. Let's see if I can put two out and they don't roll off. Oh, almost. We went I went with 24s instead of 22s or 26s because I feel like 26s you don't get enough tire. You have to put like a 25 series tire. These are a 30 series, or I could have went a 35, but I think 30 is just fine. And like I said, I don't think that stuff stands the test of time. Like keeping it classic with wire wheels, nice tinted windows, classic paint, classic trim, with little touches that you do to it to make it your own. I think that's the best way about it. And to keep it, in my opinion, keep it Cadillac. That's the best thing to do. Wire wheels, nice trim accents, sound system, little couple light displays on the inside with a Starlight headliner. It'll be a simple, clean, to the point Cadillac the way they should be. And I like it, man. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all think I made the right choice with the wire wheels? I think absolutely, man. Only thing is, like I said, they're not Dayton's, but I'm not, one of those guys that's a label whore, as they say it. Like, I'm not spending that kind of money on something that I'm going to drive occasionally. You know what I mean? That kind of money, man, is just, in my opinion, man, I got 4 kids. That's college tuition money. That's stuff like that. I like living my life and enjoying it at the same time, but I also have to think financially smart as well as, about the next generation of me. So I would never make a decision like that anyway. But like I said, these are actually, I think they're Luxor wire is what they are. Luxor wire wheels. And I don't know if I'm gonna go with the matching steering wheel yet. I may or I may not. But I'm super stoked about these, man, and seeing how it's gonna turn out and seeing how everything will play out with these. But I think it looks really, really good. I think tomorrow we may try to mount up and see what it looks like with the rims on the car. I've never done wire wheels on a car where, you have to sit on the hub with the big, the hub on the back. I've never done that before, but we'll see how it works out. I know there's a direction. I think red is right, white is left. I don't know, or I may be backwards. I just have to look into it. But man, that looks so good. That is like quintessential Cadillac. Oh man, that looks so good. Like I said, we're coming along on this car a little bit at a time. One day at a time, like I said, one step at a time. The most expensive part of the car is completely out of the way now with the wheels. Everybody that builds old cars knows the wheels, or you're putting a brand new engine in it, it's gonna cost you a lot of money. Yeah, this looks good. Really, really good. 24s with the white walls. Hell, we may paint a yellow stripe on these and make it look like Vogue tires. But I will never own a set of Vogue tires. I'm telling y'all. Y'all can tell me in the comments all you want that a Vogue tire is a good tire, but it is not. Vogue tires are absolutely terrible. I've been doing this thing working for Cadillac for almost 20 years now, and it's like, the thing is, when we see cars with Vogue tires, they're either feathering, falling apart, heavy sidewall cracking, they don't balance well, and that's with 5,000 miles on them. I mean, and they're rock hard. Don't buy Vogue tires. I know you may think they look good, but don't buy Vogue tires. But yeah, man, I want to thank y'all again, man, for checking in, showing y'all the wheels. Let me know what y'all think. This was a good one, man. Tell y'all what I learned the most about all of this stuff, man, is if you do it right the first time, unlike that Monte Carlo, it's actually pretty cheap and feasible to do by yourself. So anyway, about to get ready to have dinner with my family, man. We'll see y'all in the next video.